What's going on, everybody? Welcome to JohnBoys Small Engine Repair. A new video, or new channel I should say, on YouTube here. Just want to show y'all this mower I got. This it's a Scott's by John Deere, 16 horsepower, 42-inch cut. I picked this up from someone local. They said that it started, which it does. And it needed something with the steering. It wouldn't steer. When I first got it, it would turn left, but not right. And so I kind of figured out what was wrong with it, if you guys can see it or not. But that left front spindle it's almost completely wore through, whether it had no grease in it or not. And so you can't take out the spindle by itself. See, there's no way to take it out. So I had to order a whole new axle for it. Cost me about $75. I paid $175 for the mower. I'm gonna flip this mower. I'm probably gonna ask about $400 for it. I don't know, but it's a good mower. The engine runs good. I have several mowers. I have that Husky back there. That I'll do another video on that another time. But we're going to focus on this Scott's by John Deere. It's running a Crawler command engine. I've heard good things and bad things about those engines. The deck works fine on it, but I just want to show y'all a quick video on this mower. I will do a new video on it when I put the new axle in it, and when I'm going to do some maintenance to it, blades, oil change, and then hopefully I'll get about $400, $375. I'm not going to go no lower than $375 on it. I've put a lot of time into it. It doesn't smoke. It's got the soft touch transmission in it, which is nice. You know, popping wheelies when you let out of the clutch. That right front tire is going to need to be fixed. It needs some air in it. But like I said, this is a new channel for me. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, y'all take care.